Payless. Payless or Payless may refer to Payless Drug Store, founded by Lorenzo L Skaggs in Rochester, Minnesota, and later became Osco. Payless Food Markets, a grocery store chain in central Indiana acquired by Kroger in 1999. Payless Car Rental, an automobile rental company. Payless DIY, a chain of do-it-yourself stores in Britain, merged in 1990 into rival chain Do It All, which later merged into Focus DIY. Payless Drug Store, founded by Levi Justin Skaggs in Tacoma, Washington, and which later became Skaggs Companies. Payless for Drug and Food, a Canadian store-owned store. Payless Footwear Retailer, an international discount footwear retailer, 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 retailer.